Hey you guys, it's me and I'm very much back again with another YouTube video for y'all. Very much it's giving different scenery. We're in the woods. We went from the city to hello. But for today's video, it's just gonna be a vlog. And I'm currently in Buffalo. I'm not in NYC right now, but I'm on a hike. I was about to say I'm in a hike, but I'm on a hike, and it's very much giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, but yeah, it's gonna be a hike, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted. After this intro is done, I'm just gonna record a lot of the nature. Like, I will be talking throughout the video, but it is just me on the hike, and I want to get a majority of the hike instead of me talking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and if you like my video, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. There's a waterfall down there, you guys. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it sounds pretty loud. Like, the flow is heavy. This is like a little river. You can't really tell from here. Oh, actually you can. It's like right here. That's the waterfall. Ooh, that's where we're going. To the waterfall, to the water.
Metallic it looks.
Look at the water, you guys. We're chilling, period. We with nature today. Look how beautiful it is. Don't you just love moments where you can just be still and listen? Comment down below, when was the last time you just was still and you just listened? Cause baby, it is beautiful. Hopefully you guys can hear the water, cause I want to be able to share this experience with you guys. So pretty. That's over there.
Vlog is if you went and sat on top of there and hovered. You want a picture? Can I sit there?
Okay. I'm on a, what is it called? A log, or I'm on a really big ass tree branch. Like, nature, just nature. Put 2 and 2 together. 2 plus 2 is 4. Period. Look it up, a donka. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few. I'm gonna keep walking, but
Look at that. We just got here.
Look how beautiful, you guys. Feeling the rock. Look at all you guys. Wow. Wow. Guys, I decided to take my shoes off. I really wanted to connect with nature, take advantage of my opportunity, so we're barefoot. This water is so cold. Like, first of all, can we get up to my pretty toes? Look at my toes. Aren't they just so pretty? But this water, my feet right now are like freezing. But we're not gonna talk about it. Okay, we're connecting with nature, so it's okay. I'm actually gonna step to the side, bitch. It's a little too motherfucking cold. Woo! But yeah.